This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Preparations for the festivals have likely begun in almost every household by now. Navratri begins tomorrow and Deepavali is just a few days away. This is the perfect time to clean and organize our home temple for the festivals so that we can offer our prayers and gratitude with freshness. Properly arranged items in our home temple makes it easier for us. Let's see how I completed the cleaning and organizing of my home temple. When you clean or organize any place, the first step is to empty it completely. Therefore, I first carefully removed all the idols from my temple and placed them in a safe place. After that, I removed all the decorations that I had put up during Ganesh Chaturthi. Right now, what I will do first is soak the deity's garlands in a solution of water and mild detergent for a while so that all the dust can be removed from them. After about 10 minutes, I will rinse them with plain water and place them on a clean cloth to dry. In the same way, I soaked Bhagwan Ji ke asan and Mata ki chuniya in mild detergent, washed them and left them to dry. Now before I start dusting and cleaning the temple, I will complete the organization of my drawers because it might get a bit messy here while cleaning. So it is better to finish this work first. I have some extra temple items which I use occasionally that will go into another cabinet which I will show you shortly. I have emptied both drawers and I will clean them thoroughly. I line the drawers with liners to keep them clean and to make my cleaning easier. Now let's organize the drawers. I've segregated all the items and stored them in transparent containers. In the right drawer, I keep items related to lighting diyas and incense dhoop and sticks. In these smaller containers, I keep dhoop cones and havan cups. In the larger container, I have kept different types of wicks, including long, round and akhand wicks. In this transparent container, I have placed ghee wicks that I have made at home. You can find a link to the video of making these ghee wicks in the description box. I have stored cloves and camphor in glass containers. Incense stick packets are often quite bulky, which can make the small drawer look quite messy, and incense sticks tend to fall out easily. So for easy access, I have also placed incense sticks in a long box. I have placed ghee in a special ghee container that also has a spoon, making it easy to take out ghee for lighting lamps. I also prefer to store oil in an oil dispenser. Now I will place them in the drawer. Storing items in transparent containers making it easy for me to see everything. If I need anything, I can easily take it out. This drawer is now organized. Mostly in the other drawer, I keep occasionally used items. In this basket, I have kept copper plates, extra lamps, dhoop dani and a dusting cloth. I have segregated and stored sandalwood, kumkum, turmeric, moli and holy books in this basket. Some of these items I don't need for my daily puja. Some puja utensils are stored in the middle and a box for storing coins and some notes. After cleaning the drawer, I will move on to dusting the temple. There is wooden paneling at the back which tends to accumulate dust and I will clean it with the microfiber glove. To clean it, I have made a solution with water, vinegar and dish liquid. I will also clean the side walls with the damp cloth. In a preparation for Ganesh Chaturthi video, I shared how I clean idols and brass copper items. To clean the idols, I first dust them with a clean makeup brush and then wipe with the damp cloth, following the advice of the shopkeeper due to their antique nature. Other brass and copper items such as diyas and thali regain their shine with a special spray designed for cleaning brass, copper and silver items. Now as Navratri is here, I will decorate the temple accordingly. I have replaced the wall hangings behind. I got this beautiful red asan from Amazon. I apply double tape underneath to ensure it stays in place. Now I will place back the idols and quickly decorate this area. I've kept the floor decorations minimal. Since there will be daily puja during Navratri and easy access to the drawers is essential, I will do the proper temple floor decoration during Diwali. The temple looks amazing and it's organized. The links to the items shown are provided in the description box. Now let's take a look at the second cabinet where I keep all the remaining items. All the asans are folded nicely and stored in this basket. And Mata ki chunniyan are stored in this box. An extra stock for puja is stored in this transparent box. In this larger box, I have stored the big garlands for the deities. And all the smaller garlands are stored in this small and cute section box. I also store big dhoop dani and a round basket to store flowers in this basket for easy access. These are 3 baskets where I store brass and silver diyas and utensils that are mostly used only during festivals and special pujas. Covering them with the cloth prevents them from oxidizing quickly. Now I will place all the items into the cabinet. I have dedicated this corner cabinet in dining area to store extra temple items and essentials. And that's how I completed the organization of my temple. If the puja items are organized during the festivals, it makes everything much more convenient. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you all next week. Wishing you all a very happy Navratri. Bye bye.